Hi there, South Florida. Happy 4th of July. Morning Sealed meteorologist Julie Durda. And this morning we still have some Saharan dust lingering across the area, but it's not going to be enough to stop the rain. Be expecting showers and storms on and off throughout the later half of the morning into the afternoon hours. It's all from the disturbance and the stalled out front that's to the north of us. With that being said, these downpours could bring us the biggest threat for flooding since we've seen days of rain, and we continue under this unsettled weather pattern as we go into the first half of the weekend. The area we're watching, the tropics, has a 50% chance of development in the next 2 days. And again, a tropical depression or storm could develop off the coast of the Carolinas, but it's not going to be a threat for us. The main impacts for us, again, is all because of the stalled out front and the moisture content. We could be under those flooding concerns. So for the forecast today, a few storms around in the morning hours. Tonight, though, I'm happy to tell you the storms will start to diminish. So I think the firework displays will be beautiful tonight. It'll just be hot and humid. Have a great weekend.
South Florida, happy 4th of July. Your roads look very good out there this morning. Things are busier than I expected, actually, but still looking good and not many delays. Right here, you're taking a live look at I-95 at Northwest 135th Street. You can see that there's cars on the road, so not everybody's home, but you don't have many delays here. There is, in the same area, a broken down car where we're seeing just a little bit of a delay. It's just speeds coming in here around 36 miles per hour, so not too bad. Just be aware of that car if you are driving that direction. This is heading northbound as you approach 125th Street. I'll leave you with some drive times here across the board. Miami-Dade County, Broward County, you guys are accident and incident free. So this is 595 going eastbound. It'll take you 12 to 6 minutes to get you where you need to go.
The forecast tonight as the rain chances do start to taper off. Not so much today. We are going to be seeing those on and off storms starting in the later half of the morning into the afternoon hours. So right now, dry to start, scattered storms roll in, and then slightly drier this evening to see all the fireworks. Though we go into the weekend with another round of rain for Saturday and Sunday. As for temperatures, we're reflecting the rain cool degrees, upper 70s, Fort Lauderdale, Miami, 83 degrees in Key West. Though the winds are moving in from the south-southwest, so that's really bringing us the warmth and the humidity you're going to feel today. It does feel pretty muggy out there. Dew points mid to upper 70s, so off the charts steamy. So let's see. We are expecting that chance of showers to be around because we have all the instability in the atmosphere and that moisture content. You feel it. It feels like a sauna as you walk out the door. As for temperatures, reflecting that southwest wind, it's also providing for our showers that are developing on the radar to move from the southwest to the northeast. So a few showers by Key Biscayne. Widening the view, though, the worst of the weather staying over the northern half of the state into Texas and out in the Pacific Northwest for 4th of July. We also have the added influence of this upper level low. So with the moisture content at the surface, you're feeling it. And what's going on in the upper levels, we are going to see those showers dragging into our forecast from time to time later this morning into the afternoon hours. And then we should dry out. Better conditions in the forecast provide for a better break in the showers. But unfortunately, it doesn't last long because rain returns by tomorrow as well. So for the days of rain we have seen, it has put us under that level 1 flood threat today. Tomorrow and going into Sunday, we shouldn't be under those flooding concerns. So here's your day part for your forecast. 10 a.m. we'll be feeling like the 90s and dry. We'll have a soggy setup by around 3, starting as early as lunchtime. And then the fireworks display will be all for us to see. As we break down the forecast hour by hour going into the afternoon and into the evening, we're going 5 to 8. We'll definitely see our highest chance for showers. West Palm Beach, Fort Lauderdale, Miami, 40 to 50% chance. Even the Keys. Then our rain chances really taper off, especially in the Keys. Only about 20 to 30% chance of showers from 8 p.m. till 11. Broward and Miami-Dade, I'm keeping about a 30 to 40% chance and a better chance by West Palm Beach. Lots of people like to head to the beach on 4th of July. I recommend it. You just got to be prepared to dodge those showers later this afternoon. If you get out there early enough, you'll enjoy it. If you get out there later, you'll enjoy it as well. Just not between like noon until about 5 o'clock. Small craft caution for you boaters. The bays will be at a light shock. Here's your 7-day forecast. So today you have your rain gear. You need it into the weekend. And then finally our rain chances start to taper off to more seasonal storms in the afternoon by Monday.
Your road's still looking pretty good as the sun comes up this morning. You're taking a live look at I-95 at Northeast 2nd Avenue. You can see your north and southbound lanes here moving smoothly. The cars are on the road, but there's no congestion out there for you. There is an area where we are seeing a broken down car, but you can see that it's not causing really many delays at all. You do have 2 right lanes blocked here as you go northbound on 95 as you approach 125th Street. So just be aware of that as you head that direction. But as you can see, not causing any delays for you. I'll leave you with some drive times here, Broward County. Also accident and incident free, just like Miami-Dade. 595, well, minus that broken down car, but that should clear up any minute now. Right here, 595 going eastbound, 12 to 6 minutes to get you where you need to go.
All right, Annaliese.
But that's why people watch us, because we're
Exactly.
conversational,
Yeah.
we're local, we go into your neighborhoods and we talk about things that you're probably thinking at home. So here you go. Speaking of that, at home, if you're in Fort Lauderdale, you got a temperature of 79 degrees, Pembroke Pines 81, 79 in Miami, 83 in Key West. Wind's very calm this morning, but the wind direction is what's bringing the warmth and the humidity. Wind speeds 3 miles per hour. You can see people already setting up at Hollywood Beach. The beach forecast looks good today, though we are expecting storms to roll in by the later half of the morning and into the afternoon hours. So whatever you plan on doing, please have your rain gear. Please have a secondary plan in place. As we have our temperatures feeling like the 90s and the mid to upper 80s right now, you got to have that water to start the day to stay hydrated, and then the storms do roll in. We're talking lunchtime till, again, once the storms move through inland Broward County, they make their way towards the metro and coastal areas around 5 to 7 o'clock. And then we do see those skies clearing up. Perfect timing for all the fireworks. So it'll be a soggy afternoon. So much rain we've seen over the past previous days. More rainfall today has put us in that level 1 flood threat for our area. So you don't be surprised if you see some flood advisories across parts of Broward County, Miami-Dade. Right now, we just have one shower over parts of the Upper Keys and in towards Key West. We are noticing most of the drier air and the Saharan dust still holding on. So we're going to have a beautiful sunrise. Let's go to the tropics. So we're watching this area just off the coast of Florida and the southeastern half of the United States with a 50% chance of development in the next 2 days. Models are hinting something could develop this weekend, but again, the further away the system gets, the better our weather pattern will be. More on our forecast coming up.
South Florida, your roads look good out there. It's 4th of July and many people are home, so things are calm and your maps are green. You can take a live look here at I-95 going north and southbound at Northeast 2nd Avenue. You can see things look pretty good right there. There's an area where you do have a broken down car. This incident is on I-95 going northbound as you approach 125th Street, but you can see it's not causing any delays. Speeds are moving normally here, 65 miles per hour, so things are looking good for you if you're heading north or south on 95. I'll leave you with this, 595 going eastbound, 12 to 6 minutes to get you where you need to go. Be safe out there.
All right, Anna.